Night monkey, day monkey. Night monkey, day monkey. The moon shone down on the jungle. Night monkey climbed up the tree. She clambered and leapt to where the monkey sat and whispered, "You can catch me." The monkey walked and chased her, but lost his grip on the bark. He landed close on a bed of moss, complaining it much too dark. "Look," said the monkey. Hundreds of eyes, winking and blinking and bright. Night monkey laughed and said, "Don't be daft. They are fireflies that flash in the night." "Help," said the monkey. "Blind mice, or maybe I'm wrong and they are rats." Night monkey laughed and said, "Don't be daft. Haven't you heard of bats?" "Stop," said the monkey. "Listen to that. They are swinging the tree into the rocks." Night monkey laughed and said, "Don't be daft. It's only a chorus of frogs." "Hey," said the monkeys, "there's a banana. How does it imagine to fly?" Night monkey laughed and said, "Don't be daft. That banana's the moon in the sky." The monkey yawned and rubbed his eyes. "Maybe I'm dreaming," he said. "Nighttime is creepy and I'm very sleepy. I'm going back to bed." The sun shone down the next morning. The monkey slid down the tree. He slithered and leapt to where Night monkey sat and whispered, "You can catch me." Night monkey woke up and chased him. Screwing her eyes up tight, she came to let in an empty net, complaining it's much too bright. "Look," said the night monkey, "moths wearing makeup. Why are they? Is this cause?" The monkey laughed and said, Don't be daft. They are beautiful butterflies." "Help," said the night monkey. "Look at those giants swinging about in the trees." The monkey laughed and said, "Don't be daft. Those giants are chimpanzees." "Stop," said the night monkey, scratching out the color of peas and carrots. The monkey laughed and said, "Don't be daft. Haven't you heard of parents?" "Hey," said the night monkey, "naughty black monkeys, can't they keep out of our way?" The monkey laughed and said, "Don't be daft. Our shadows are here to stay." Night monkey yawned and rubbed her eyes. "Maybe I'm dreaming," she said. "Daytime is crazy and I'm very lazy. I'm going back to bed." Now night monkey sleeps in the daylight and the monkey sleeps in the night, but now and again at sunrise when isn't quiet, dark or light, they share a bunch of bananas halfway up a tree. The monkey calls it breakfast, night monkey calls it tea. The end. Bye.